Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy an Amazon gift card for another country in 2020. Whether it's for a friend, family member, or colleague abroad, this step-by-step guide will make sure your gift reaches the right hands without any hassle. So stick around until the end. You won't want to miss a thing. First, let's access Amazon. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Keep in mind the Amazon website might automatically redirect you based on your location, so you might need to manually select the country of the recipient. Next, sign into your account. If you already have one, just enter your email and password. If you're new to Amazon, click Create Account and fill in your details. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, it's time to find the gift card. Type gift card into the search bar and choose the Amazon gift card option. Make sure to select the correct country in the product details because Amazon gift cards are country specific. For example, a US Amazon gift card usually won't work on Amazon UK or Amazon India. Now decide on the gift card type. You can choose digital, delivered via email, or physical, shipped to an address. For international gifting, digital gift cards are usually faster and more reliable. Next, enter the gift card details. Specify the amount, add a personal message if you like, and enter the recipient's email address. Double-check everything to make sure it's accurate, especially the email address, because that's where the gift card will be sent. Now it's time to check out. Go to your cart, click Proceed to Checkout, and confirm the delivery method. Select your payment method, which can be a credit or debit card or an Amazon balance. Make sure your payment supports international purchases if needed. Finally, place your order. Review all the details one last time, then click Place Your Order. The recipient should get their Amazon gift card shortly, usually within minutes if it's digital. And that's it. Buying an Amazon gift card for another country is really that simple. Now you can send thoughtful gifts to friends and family anywhere in the world without any stress. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy gifting!